What I wish I knew at 12 instead of 22? That the tallest dreams are as real as the tallest mountains. Everest is proof. Everest isn't just a mountain, it's the ultimate adventure. Rising over 29,000 feet, it towers above everything, a giant of rock and snow. The wind roars, temperatures drop, and every step takes real grit. But up here, every breath is a victory. The sunrise paints the peaks gold, and the horizon stretches forever. Climbers from all over the world chase this summit, not just for the view, but to prove to themselves that anything is possible. Everest shows us that greatness is out there, waiting for those brave enough to climb. So what are you waiting for? Your Everest is out there. Go find it.